Hi everybody. Today I want to show you the way to transfer your picture from your computer to your iPhone. First of all, open your iTunes. Go to iPhone, press it, then go to photo here, and you should check this box. You should check this box to share any folder that you have in your computer that include the pictures you like to transfer it to your iPhone. So right now we don't have any folder, so we will create a folder. We'll make new folder on desktop, for example. This folder we call it PC picture, or any name you wish. Now this folder is empty. Okay, we'll transfer this image to this folder. So now we have this picture. When we should go to the iPhone iTunes, we will open it. We'll choose this checkbox. We'll check it. From here, we'll select a folder that we keep the picture in it. Choose folder. We should go to the destination that include this folder. Okay, this is the folder. Click on it and select folder. Okay. Now you see the folder name is coming here. So now when you sync your iTunes, the folder and the pictures in it is going directly to your photos library. So please check your iPhone. You'll see all the picture that you wish to transfer it to your iPhone. It will be there. Thanks for watching.